New from FIS. A new custom software that provides a fiber optic network extension that is smart, simple, and hassle-free. Based on your network, the software provides you a technical drawing and detailed quotation. Go to fiberinstrumentsales.com and click on Custom Fiber Optic Video Conference Expansion Link Software. You will be able to explore this new software, free from identification, and create with seconds your results. Answer 5 short questions about your existing server connection, fiber type, cable distances, and the final destination. Submit your answers including contact information, which is optional, and you will get an immediate quote and technical drawing showing plug-and-play design. If you decide to purchase, and you will receive your custom plug-and-play kit that includes connector cleaning supplies and installation instructions. This software designed to reduce the amount of time normally that it takes to produce a formal quotation. Your management or customers will be impressed by your promptness. Have any questions? Feel free to call FIS at 1-800-500-0347.